You keep waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect timing, the perfect confidence, the perfect conditions where everything feels safe and certain. But let's be honest, that moment never arrives. Life doesn't wait for you to feel ready, it only responds when you decide to move. Fear will always try to sound logical. It will whisper things like, what if you fail? What if you lose everything? What will people say? But fear never tells you the other side of the story. It never tells you what if you succeed. What if this one decision changes your entire life? What if this is the moment you become who you were always meant to be? Playing safe feels comfortable, but comfort has a cost, and that cost is your potential. Your dreams don't disappear overnight. They fade slowly. Every time you choose hesitation over action, every time you choose certainty over opportunity. Think about it. Every successful person you admire once stood exactly where you are standing right now, at the edge of uncertainty. The only difference is they moved, they took the risk, they walked into the unknown while others were still thinking. You don't grow by staying where you feel safe. You grow when you step into situations that challenge you, scare you, and stretch you beyond your limits. Because growth never comes wrapped in comfort. It always comes wrapped in risk. And let me tell you something important. You will regret the chances you didn't take far more than the failures you experienced. Failure hurts, yes, but regret stays longer. Regret is silent, but it is heavy. It follows you in moments of reflection, asking you again and again, what if you had tried? You are not stuck because you lack ability. You are stuck because you are waiting for fear to disappear. But fear is not supposed to disappear. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is action in spite of it. There will never be a perfect guarantee in life. No one can promise you success. No one can promise you safety. But what you do have is choice. The choice to stay where you are or take a step into something greater. Imagine your future self looking back at this moment. What would they say? Would they thank you for taking the risk, or would they wish you had the courage to try? The truth is simple. Every great transformation begins with discomfort. Every breakthrough begins with uncertainty. Every success story begins with someone who decided, I will try even if I'm scared. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for validation. Stop waiting for the fear to leave. Because while you are waiting, life is moving forward without you. This is your moment. Not tomorrow, not someday. Now, take the risk. Speak the truth. Start the business. Change the direction. Walk away from what is holding you back. Step into what is calling you forward. Yes, you might fail, but you will also grow. You will learn. You will discover strength you never knew existed. And even if you fall, you will fall forward, not backward into regret, but forward into experience. Because the truth is simple, you don't lose when you fail. You lose when you never try. So take the risk or lose the chance forever. Fear is one of the most powerful forces in human life, not because it is real danger, but because it feels real enough to stop you from moving forward. It convinces you to stay where you are, to choose what is familiar, and to avoid anything that might shake your comfort. But what you don't realize is that every time you obey fear, you are silently rejecting your own growth. You are telling yourself that safety is more important than possibility, even when possibility is what you truly desire. The truth is, nothing meaningful in life ever comes without risk. Every opportunity that has the power to change your life will also carry uncertainty with it. That uncertainty is not your enemy, it is the doorway to your next level. The problem is, most people wait for fear to disappear before they act. But fear was never meant to disappear. It is meant to be walked through, not waited out. Think about the moments in your past where you felt scared but still took action. Those are the moments that shaped you the most. Those are the moments where you grew, learned, and discovered strength you didn't know you had. Now imagine how many more of those moments are waiting for you if you choose courage again. The comfort zone feels safe, but it slowly limits your life. It doesn't destroy you loudly, it holds you back quietly. It keeps you repeating the same patterns, the same thoughts, and the same results. And before you know it, years pass, and you are still waiting for the right time that never comes. But life rewards those who move despite fear. It opens doors for those who are willing to take chances, even when success is not guaranteed. Because in the end, it is not the absence of fear that defines your future, but the decision to move forward in spite of it. Every opportunity in life comes with a silent question attached to it. Will you step forward, or will you step back? And most people don't even realize they are answering that question every single day. When you hesitate, when you overthink, when you tell yourself not now, you are not just delaying action, you are slowly closing doors that may never open again. Life doesn't pause for preparation. It moves forward whether you are ready or not. The hardest part is not the risk itself but the imagination of it. Your mind creates stories of failure that feel more real than success. It shows you worst-case scenarios on repeat, making you believe that staying still is safer than trying. But the truth is, staying still has its own risk. The risk of regret. The risk of wondering what your life could have become if you had just tried. Every person you admire once faced uncertainty. They didn't have guarantees, they didn't have perfect timing, and they didn't have complete confidence. What they had was decision. A moment where they chose action over fear. That single choice became the foundation of everything they built afterward. You don't need to eliminate fear to move forward. You just need to stop letting it lead your life. Fear will always be present, but it should never be in control. You are not meant to live inside your comfort zone forever. You are meant to expand, to explore, to evolve into something greater than who you are today. And growth will always feel uncomfortable at first. That discomfort is not a warning sign. It is a signal that you are breaking limits. If everything feels easy, you are not growing. If everything feels familiar, you are not changing. The real transformation begins when you choose action even while your mind is uncertain. That is where courage is born, and that is where life truly begins to change. Most people never realize how many chances they let slip away simply because they were afraid of temporary discomfort. They wait for confidence to arrive, but confidence is never something that comes before action. It is something that is built through action. Every step you take into uncertainty creates a version of you that is stronger than the one who stayed behind. But when you delay those steps, you delay your own transformation. Fear has a way of disguising itself as logic. It tells you to be careful, to wait, to analyze everything one more time. It makes hesitation feel responsible and action feel dangerous. But in reality, fear is not protecting you from failure. It is protecting you from growth. Because growth requires change and change requires risk. And anything that demands you to leave your comfort zone will always feel threatening at first. Think about the moments that changed your life the most. They were not comfortable decisions. They were not easy choices. They were moments where you felt unsure but still moved forward anyway. Those moments shaped your confidence, your experience, and your identity. Without them, you would still be the same version of yourself you were years ago. The tragedy is not failing. The tragedy is never trying. Because failure teaches you but hesitation keeps you stuck. Every time you avoid a risk, you are not maintaining your safety. You are limiting your future. You are choosing a smaller life without even realizing it. Life is constantly offering you doors, but fear convinces you to stand outside them. And over time, those doors don't stay open forever. Opportunities are temporary, but regret can last a lifetime. That is why action matters more than perfection. Because the people who move forward imperfectly will always go further than those who wait perfectly forever. There comes a point in life where you have to stop negotiating with your fear and start listening to your inner voice that is asking for more. That voice is quiet, but it is honest. It doesn't scream like fear does. It doesn't exaggerate consequences or build fake barriers. It simply tells you that you are capable of more than what you are currently settling for. But most people ignore it, because listening to it would require change, and change always demands courage. You don't become the strongest version of yourself by avoiding challenges. You become it by walking directly into them. Every difficult situation you face is not there to break you, but to reveal you. It shows you what you are made of, what you can handle, and what you are still capable of becoming. But if you keep stepping away from difficulty, you will never meet that version of yourself. You will only ever live with the idea of who you could have been. The truth is, life is not waiting for you to feel fully prepared. It is already moving. And while you are waiting for certainty, opportunities are being taken by someone else who was willing to act without it. That is how life works. It rewards movement, not hesitation. It rewards courage, not overthinking. There will never be a moment where everything feels perfectly aligned. There will always be doubt, always be risk, always be reasons to delay. But the difference between people who grow and people who stay stuck is simple. One chooses action despite uncertainty, and the other waits for uncertainty to disappear. And in the end, you will not be judged by how safe you played it. You will be remembered by how boldly you lived. because a life lived in fear may feel controlled, but it is never truly lived. At some point, you must realize that the biggest limitation in your life is not the world around you, but the hesitation within you. You keep thinking you need more time, more clarity, more confidence, more preparation. But in reality, you already have enough to begin. What you lack is not ability, it is decision. And that single decision has the power to shift the entire direction of your life. Every dream you carry requires movement. It cannot survive in silence. It cannot grow in delay. It needs action, even imperfect action, to come alive. But fear convinces you otherwise. It tells you that waiting is safer, that planning longer will reduce risk, that staying where you are is smarter. But what it doesn't tell you is that time is still passing, and every moment you wait is a moment you never get back. The truth is, nobody feels completely ready when they start something meaningful. Readiness is not a feeling, it is a result. It comes after you step forward, not before. The first step will always feel uncertain. The second will feel uncomfortable. But as you keep moving, what once felt impossible begins to feel natural. That is how growth works. It never starts with confidence, it ends with it. You are not meant to live a life shaped by fear of failure. You are meant to live a life shaped by willingness to try. Because failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of it. Every mistake, every setback, every wrong turn is simply feedback guiding you closer to who you are becoming. And one day you will look back and realize that the moments you were most afraid of were the same moments that defined your strength. Not because they were easy, but because you chose to face them. That is where real life begins, not in avoiding risk, but in embracing it.